This is Ethan's new baseball bat. He's 3.5. On the roof, home run. Woohoo!
Last pitch.
Where's your new bat? Cool. Who gave that to you? Who gave you your bat? Yeah. Okay, I'll video 2 more pitches. Let's see if you can do another home run. That went over there. Did that go over the fence?
No, went to the base of the fence.